Hello and what's up, guys? How are you guys doing? I just hope you all are doing fantastic wherever you are. So it's another day, another banger video. I want to show you how to prepare Kenyan Dawa tea. This is best for coughs, sore throat, and flus, common colds. But before anything, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You can always leave a comment. So this is what we need for our dawa. We need lemon and ginger and a sweetener, of course. I love sweet things, so I will add honey uko mwisho mwisho. You can add any sweetener of your choice, but I think honey works well for this. Yeah, so make sure you watch the video till the end.